Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to design a customer loyalty program tracker using AIRTABLE, your 2025 guide. Our first step is to create a new base in AIRTABLE. Once you're logged in, click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This is key because a base is essentially your workspace where you'll build your customer loyalty program tracker. Next up, we'll add a table to our base. Click on the plus icon and name it Customers. This table will serve as our database for customers enrolled in our loyalty program. Now that we've done that, we'll create fields in our table. Click on the Add Field button, name it Customer Name, and set the field type as single-line text. We'll also add fields like email, phone number, and loyalty points, and set appropriate field types. The reason we do this is to record essential customer details and track their loyalty points. Moving on, let's create a new table named Rewards. Here we'll add fields for reward name, description, and points required. This helps us because it allows us to define the rewards that customers can redeem using their loyalty points. Finally, we'll link the Customers and Rewards tables. In the Customers table, add a field named Redeemed Rewards and set the field type as Linked to another record. Select the Rewards table for linking. This step is vital as it helps us keep track of the rewards each customer has redeemed. And there you have it. You have just designed a customer loyalty program tracker in AIRTABLE. This system will help you monitor all your loyal customers, their points, and their redeemed rewards efficiently, making your loyalty program a breeze to manage. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.